Okay, so here are the answers. Check them off. A couple things to pay attention to is you might not have put the units squared for the area or just the units, or if it's a side length. Really not the end of the world, um, right? But remember, make sure you at least understand the difference between the unit squared representing area, because area is two-dimensional, and using the units in the first dimension, or right, not squared, when it's just a side length, right? When it's just one dimensional. Other than that, a couple other things to pay attention to is like with this one. Again, you might have had 4 point something else, and that's okay. Remember, as long as you had 4 point pretty much anything. Hopefully, we're getting a little bit closer to being able to dial it in. These are the exact square roots to one decimal place. Also, with your decimal places, you only have to go up to one decimal places, even when we start applying this in the next section as well. Okay. Um, Again, if you have any questions, come to one of the question and answer sessions uh, that I sent you an email link to this week. And make sure you get your questions answered or you're sending me emails.